What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Maximo Sharon back in another video. Today we are at Level Zero's car show. They're having a little open house up here at the La Buena Vida up here in Roy, North Carolina. So it's gonna be hopefully a nice chill, park and chill before we get on to the other meets later on tonight. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my social media at Baxter.box on both Instagram and TikTok, and enjoy the video. As you see, we got a pretty good turnout, not gonna lie. We got OTK right there, we got a wagon. Got RCF, got the boy DeLorean, got the boy Don. But yeah, not bad, not bad. Pretty solid turnout. We got the RS6, damn. Carbon hood. It's clean. Damn. And then we got Scarlet right here.
Like when I first heard it, I was surprised.
What's the Lexus? I think it's clean. Not bad, not bad. What? Oh, they got Jorge and all of them. Got Jorge, the Aventador, and some other cars rolling in. Got an R. Damn. Yes, sir. Good. God damn, boy. Shit.
I think it's looking crazy.
What's the orange was my question.
It's a good conversion out here, especially with the exhaust and everything.
Bro, this shit is... Fuck. Got R8, NSX, 911. 911 and a Z28. God damn. Bro, that shit is... God damn. I think that was Jorge. Jesus. God damn, boy. How you doing? Man, this shit's... We got a R8, NSX, 911. Hold up, this shit's on bags? Damn. Bagged NSX. The turbos. Fuck yeah, bruh. Here's something coming. Ooh, a Huracan. Damn, that thing sounded good. Oh shit, it's an STO! What the fuck? Yo! It is an STO! Damn. Bro, I've never seen this. I've seen this one. The STO, I've never seen that one before. Bro, the spec though. Oh my god, that's gold. Hey. Bro. God damn, boy. Dude, that colors, that combo. From Florida. Oh, from Miami. He bought it in Miami. Dude. So we got the, this is a legit brand new STO that this guy just bought. Holy Woo! There you go, you good. God dang, dude. That is nice.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Other car, we got some other cars over here. We got the boy Ballo's Ferrari. It's kind of funny, you just spray paint the whole damn hood. Need money for private club center, or whatever that says, but I think it's nice. Wrapped, blackout tint. Of course, you can't forget the Euro plate. And then you got a GTR. You got my brother, the yellow not yellow, orange GTR. That thing sounds crazy.
Oh.
R7. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, the GTR, this is clean. Carbon hood, I mean the whole front bumper is new. He reinstalled that. I got the new carbon hood, carbon front splitter. And then I got the RS7. Thing's clean. These things are freaking quick though. I know that for a fact. Then we got a Shelby GT500. Very nice. This is like almost the same color as the Performante over there. But this thing's clean. Damn. I love to play Yeet. That's funny. Then we got a GT4 RS Cayman. Carbon with wing. Carbon air vents. Mirror cap. Carbon hood. I mean, this shit's nice though. That's gorgeous. And I got some other cars. Got a, I think this is a GT2 or GT3 RS. It's a D badge. So I don't. Oh, it's a GT3.
Yeah. And wheels and everything.
Very nice. I think it's clean. Got a Taycan right here. Got an F80 with the chrome tint. That's interesting. You don't see a lot of cars with the chrome tint. I mean, it's cool, but cool. Got Cayman Z, BMW Z, not like a Nissan Z. And over here, we got the C806 from this morning. I think it sounded absolutely insane. Of course, I got Scotty, we got the R6, got an R8 right here. Another R8. This is the V10 one. But this is nice. Carbon. Ooh, just about to start the R6. Nice though, damn. Carbon hood, carbon front splitter, mirror caps, carbon rear tail, side skirts, paint match fenders. I mean, this shit's nice. Damn. Another R8. This is the V10 model. This is nice. More carbon, a lot of carbon fiber on this one. Carbon rear diffuser. Rear wing, the carbon pieces around the rear end, carbon side skirts, carbon hood, front splitter. That's nice. I like that a lot. And then over here we got the big boys. Got rolling the twin turbo CTS-V. I want a CTS-V so bad. Is this the one that's twin turbo? I think this is. I could be wrong. This shit's nice though. And there goes the R6. I'm pretty sure that CT3 is twin turbo because you see the intercooler. But I could be wrong. Then we got CT5V. And then here's the R6. I think it's so nice though. God damn. That thing sounded nasty. Oh my God, dude. Damn.
Very good, very good.
That's cool.
That's right.
Okay.
Downshift, bro.
Yeah, boy, Jorge and the 812 and the Aventador going out. Damn. Damn.
Miss, bro, second time.
Yeah, that shit sounds good. Damn, boy.
I didn't get my phone out of time. Or else I'm going to put you on my camera, I guess.
That sounds so.
We're done.
Those downshifts. I'm dead. Really? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, back it up then. Back it up. Back it up. Oh shit. speed, dude. God damn, boy. Look at our aircon. Damn. That shit. There goes the Alright YouTube, let's conclude the video right here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my social media at Maxer.Mox on both Instagram and TikTok. And thanks for watching the video.